Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inspecting the rod closely to find bends, cracks, or corrosion. Mark any defects with tape so you don't miss them. Once done, clean the area with penetrating oil and wipe off grime so repairs bond properly. You'll need a torque wrench, files, and 220-400 grit sandpaper at hand. Make sure the workspace is well lit and you're wearing eye protection. This gets you into the first actionable steps without delay and sets up safer, more effective repairs. Now you correct geometry. Use a press or light, controlled hammer taps to straighten minor bends so the rod regains its original alignment. Avoid aggressive force that induces stress. Then file any low spots to remove deformation and sand progressively from 220 to 400 grit to smooth transitions and eliminate burrs. Make sure to stop and recheck alignment frequently with a straight edge or dial indicator, because small deviations compound. This detailed execution phase ensures the rod will seat and function correctly once finished. Finish by cleaning all surfaces and applying a rust inhibitor or protective coating to prevent future corrosion. Don't skip this step because it extends life. Reinstall the rod and torque fasteners to specification, then run a controlled functional test under normal load to confirm performance. If you notice misalignment after testing, repeat the straightening process. If you find a crack or material failure at any point, replace the rod immediately. Repairing a cracked rod risks catastrophic failure. That one troubleshooting tip keeps you safe and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.